Okay, welcome to Ganithalay. My name is Nagun Miravali. Now we are going to discuss about the transformation of axis, which is the topic belongs to the mathematics B paper, which consisting of 4 marks in the Board of Intermediate of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Let's start the topic now. Transformation of axis. The transformation of axis is the two types. So one is translation of axis, another one is rotation of axis. The simple meaning of transformation of axis is obtained by changing the axis means what are the axes? The coordinate axis means one is x axis, another one is y axis. We have to change the axis under some conditions. So they are depending upon the two types. One is translation of axis, another one is rotation of axis. Simply transformation of axis is the change of axis. We have to change the coordinate axis x and y under some conditions. Okay, these conditions are depending upon the two properties. One is translation of axis, another one is rotation of axis. Let's start the topic. This is the concept. Transformation of axis is two types. One is translation of axis, another one is rotation of axis. Now we are going to discuss about the translation of axis. Okay, coming to the translation of axis. The translation of axis is the transformation of axis. It is obtained by first one, shifting the origin to another point, that is the first condition. But without changing the direction of axis, So such type of transformation is called the translation of axis. The most important conditions of the translation of axis are shifting the origin to another point, but without changing the direction of the axis. Direction of the axis means, suppose we have taken x-axis in this direction. In this direction means left direction and right direction. Without changing the direction of this x-axis means we can't take x-axis like that, because of here the direction will be, if you take an x-axis like that, now the direction will be changes. So that's why we can't take this type. Okay, in the same way the y-axis direction will be like that. So by translation of axis we can't changing the direction of y-axis. That means we can't take a y-axis like that. Okay, if you taken like that, here the direction will be changed. So that's why we can't take this one. This is the without changing the direction of axis. Okay, then how can you change the direction? How can you change the axis without changing the direction? That means we can take this x-axis like that. Okay, we have to move the x-axis either up or down. Okay, here in this changing, here the direction will not be changed. In the same way we can move the y-axis either left or right. We can get the y-axis. Now here what will be changed? In the old system the origin is 0. Now in the new system the origin will be changed. That means origin has been shifted to another point. That can be taken as O dash. So this is the simple explanation of the translation of axis. Okay, now we are going to write the definition of the translation of axis. Okay, now this is the definition of the translation of axis. So if the origin is shifted to another point without changing the direction of the axis, okay, we have to change the origin to another point. That is the first condition. Without changing the direction of axis, that is the second condition. Then the transformation is called the translation of axis. Now how to do the translation of axis, now we are going to discuss here. Okay. Okay, let us take the x-axis and y-axis. Suppose I have to take x-axis here. This is the x-axis. Next I am going to take the y-axis. This is the y-axis. So the names of the x-axis and y-axis are x, x dash, y, y dash. So they are intersected at one point. Already we know that that point is called the origin. What is that origin? The coordinates are 0, 0. We know that the points. Okay. Now I am going to take the point P in the world system. This is a point. Suppose let us consider a point P, x comma y. This is a point P in the world system. So after taking the point in the world system means we have taken one x-axis and y-axis. So this is called the world system of the x-axis. That means world system means the system which can be taken in the first. Okay, that is called the world system. So this is the world system. Now we are talking in the world system. Here p x comma y be the point in the system. Okay, suppose if p x comma y is a point on the world system, so now we have to write the foot of the perpendicular of p from the x-axis. So let the foot of the perpendicular from the x-axis is x. Foot of the perpendicular from x-axis is this is. Okay, let this is m. Foot of the perpendicular means perpendicular to x-axis from the point P. In the same concept, the foot of the perpendicular from y-axis, foot of the perpendicular of P from the y-axis. So I have taken this is n. Okay. So when we have taken the foot of the perpendiculars from the point P to the both coordinate axes, now the distance from origin to foot of the perpendiculars m, this will be equal to the x. This is equal to that means the distance from here to here. This is equal to x coordinate. Next the y coordinate will be equal to the here. This is the distance from here to here. This will be equal to the y coordinate. Okay, this is the distance. Okay, this is about the world system. Let us write here. Let what we have taken here. Let x o x dash comma y o y dash are the coordinate axes in world system. That means it can be considered as the world system, where what is the origin here? 0, 0 is the origin. After taking the origin, we have considered what we have considered here. Let p x comma y be the point where we have taken in this system. In this system is world system. Point in xy plane. So this xy plane is called world system. World system. So after taking the point p x comma y, we have taken the foot of the perpendicular from p to x-axis and y-axis. Okay, let what are the foot of the perpendiculars? M comma n are the foots of perpendiculars. Foots of perpendiculars from where? P to the both coordinate axes to the x comma small x comma y axis respectively. So after taking the foot of the perpendiculars, here the x coordinate of the point P will be equal to the distance from origin to the foot of the perpendicular of P on the x-axis. That means therefore OM is equal to small x, ON is equal to small y. Let it be equation 1. Okay. Next, now we will discuss about now we are going to draw the new system here. Let us take the new system. So now we are in the translation of axis. That means we have to change the origin. Okay, origin to another point without changing the direction of the x-axis. Already x-axis direction is this one. Now I have to take in the x-axis here, new x-axis. Let this is the new x-axis. So new x-axis can be taken x, capital X comma x dash. The same way new y-axis. So this is the new y-axis I have taken. I have to take new y-axis is this one, capital Y, y dash. So here in the new system origin is this is, let it be the point O dash. So I have taken this is h comma k is the origin shifted point. Okay, so that means if you take in O dash h comma k in the new system, let the foot of the perpendicular from O dash to the old system x-axis and old system y-axis be, this is capital M dash, this is capital N dash. Now the h is equal to from O to M dash, this distance is h and this distance is k. Okay, they are the distances. Now coming to the point here, this is the point P small x comma small y is the point with reference to the old system. Already we have taken and explained about the Px comma y in the old system. Now we can't change the position of the point P x comma y, but we have to write the point P in the new system here. Okay, so let the small x small y are the old system coordinates of P. Let it be P capital X comma capital Y be the coordinates of the point P in the new system. Here new system means capital X and capital Y. Suppose now we are going to find out here capital X value and capital Y value. So let us to find the capital X and capital Y values of the coordinates of P. First we have to draw the foot of the perpendiculars of P from the new to the new axis. So what are the new axes here? Capital X and capital Y. Let the foot of the perpendiculars are Q and R. Okay, of the point P on the new axis. Okay, now the capital X will be equal to O dash Q and capital Y is equal to O dash R. This is the capital Y answer and this is the O dash Q is called the capital X answer. Now we have to find the capital X and capital Y. After finding capital X and capital Y, if you can put these values in P point, you will get the point in the new system. Okay, now let us write here. So what we have taken here, consider let capital X O dash X dash, capital Y O dash Y dash are the axes obtained by translation of axis. Translation of axis Now the origin can be shifted, here O dash shifted to O dash. Okay, let O dash point is H comma K. Let capital M dash, capital N dash are the foots of the perpendicular. Foots of the perpendiculars from O dash to the capital X comma capital Y axis. Now O dash M dash is equal to H, O dash N dash is equal to K. They are the equation number 2. Now we have to find out the coordinates of the point P with reference to the new system. Let P capital X comma capital Y be the point in new system. Let Q comma R be the foots of perpendiculars from P to new X comma Y axis respectively. Now capital X is equal to O dash Q and capital Y is equal to O dash R. Now we have to find O dash Q and O dash R. Coming to the diagram, O dash Q, here O dash Q, this will be equal to here M dash M. Okay, this is equal to M dash M. Here we have to write M dash M. Observe that in the diagram M dash M is equal to OM minus OM dash. Okay, M dash M will be obtained by subtracting OM dash from OM. So OM minus OM dash. From equation 1, OM in the figure, OM is the distance X minus OM dash is the distance OM dash. OM dash is the distance H. Sorry, already we have taken here OM dash, O dash M dash, O dash N dash. This is not O dash M dash, O dash N dash. This is OM dash and ON dash. So this is X minus H. In the same way, Y is equal to OR. Here observe that capital Y is equal to how much? O dash R. In the figure, O dash R is the distance which is equal to N dash N. This N dash N will be obtained by subtracting ON dash from ON. Okay, that means N dash OR is equal to N dash which is equal to ON minus ON dash. ON means Y minus ON dash means K. So they are the X values and Y values. Therefore, capital X is equal to X minus H, capital Y is equal to Y minus K. That means, therefore, the coordinates of P with reference to new axis are X minus H comma Y minus K. They are the coordinates of point P with reference to the new axis. We have taken the coordinates of P in old system is small x comma small y. Now the coordinates of the point P with reference to new system is X minus H comma Y minus K. Now simply we can make a table from the new system to old system. Okay, so consider the old system and new system. Old system origin, what is that? Next, new system origin, what is that? Okay, new system origin means that is a shifted point. Okay, next, point in a plane in old system. Next, in the same process, point in a plane in new system. Okay, consider here the old system. In the old system we have taken the origin is already 0 comma 0. We know that that is new system. It will be changed as h comma k, that is o dash h comma k, o dash h comma k. So this is also called the shifted point. What is that? This is shifted point. Shifted point means origin shifted point. Okay, next, in old system, point in a plane can be taken as p by using small letters. Okay, in new system the point p can be taken as capital X comma capital Y, which are equal to, capital X answer should be is equal to x minus h and small y minus k. This is the simple table from origin, from the old system to new system. In old system always the origin can be taken as 0 comma 0. So such type of problems there will be given origin shifted point and point in the old system. So if we take if point in old system and origin shifted point will be given, we have to find the coordinates of the point in new system by using this formula. Okay, so that is the concept. Okay, next one, in the same process simply we can take in here x comma y are the coordinates of points of point in old system. Next, capital X comma capital Y are the points, coordinates of the point in new system. Okay, so the relation between the small x and small y and capital X and capital Y will be the capital X is equal to x minus h, capital Y is equal to y minus k. By using this relation we can find either of small x's and either of small x and either of capital Xy. Okay, so this is the relation between the old system and new system by using the translation of axis. Remember these formulas, the very important formulas. Okay, thank you.